Halloween is over. All the decorations are coming down. Groundbreaking skeleton that was mounted on the roof is the last one to come down. It was raining yesterday, so I didn't have a chance to do anything. The groundbreaking skeleton video was my second video that I made on YouTube, even though it was only about 35 days ago. So while attaching it to the roof, I had a difficult time shooting the footage to show you how I attached it. So today, I'm going to show you how it was attached, where I attached it to, and how it held up. Let's head up. This is the first time I'm on the roof since I put this together, and it looks pretty decent. All right, so I'm going to show you how I mounted it and where I mounted it and how this came out. Let's start from the back, and I mounted it right here, as you can see, and then from there, that's the hole in the back of the base. There was 1, 2, and 3 holes that I drilled, and I used a 550 paracord, and I ran it along the roof, and I attached it to the nails on the gutter. Same thing with this one. All the way down, along the roof, and right to the nail that attaches the gutter to the house. We're going to be taking this apart. Let me get some tools and we'll be right back. I'm just using a screwdriver to get between the staple and just pulling it off, just like that. I just use a screwdriver to go underneath the staple that I used and pulls it right off. If you want to leave it on, you can leave it on. That just slips right off. I'm gonna leave them right here for now. And I'll take them when I head down. I'm gonna throw them down because they're gonna break. I'll loosen this up. I'll take the knot out of this. How I tightened it. Just like that. And then I'll take the head off because I don't want it to break. All right, and we'll take this stuff down. I place these other 2 hands here so I can just grab them instead of going all the way up the ladder and going down. Use the hands to help you climb down the ladder or up. And I'm going to take these screws out. So if you remember, these were the 4x4, so it's going to hold it in place. It's not going to go sliding off the roof. And then we'll take this guy off. I can loosen the arm up. with the body, you don't want to put it right up against the ladder, because even though this doesn't weigh a lot, it can push against the ladder and you lose your ladder. So just hold on to it until you get on the ladder and you step down a few steps, and then you can grab it from wherever you want to and bring it down. I did the same thing with this. I placed it right behind the ladder. It's not that heavy, so it's not going to do anything. So I don't have to go all the way up on the roof. Because there is up and down, up and down. But what are you going to do? So this is what we have now. Just the base. I just got to be careful up here because there are leaves and debris. You don't want to step on one of those and go sliding off the roof. So the way I set these up is this taut line hitch. So if you just loosen up the hitch a little bit, just unhook it off that nail. I pulled out the nails a little bit, even though some of them, like this one, is out. That's all I do. Loosen up a little bit and then just pull it right off. I'm trying to show you while I'm doing this, but it's hard. So this is just an extra knot that I put in there. But it's a taut line hitch that's adjustable. So you just slide it, slides up, and then I just unhook it. That's it. Do the same thing in here. This is the back one. This is just looped over all the extra pieces that I had. You don't have to take it apart if you don't want to, but that's the hitch. And then it's meant for tents, so you can adjust it, or tarps. You just push it down, it loosens it up, and then what do I do? Just unhook it. That's it. So all the lines are unhooked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loop them real quick so they're not all over the place. You can do them whichever way you like. I'm just looping them. If they're long enough, just make a loop, pass them through one another. Take the tools off the roof, and then I'll come back and take that off. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to lower it with these ropes. The ropes are on here, so are they going to be long enough? I don't know. We'll see. So let's see. I got one in the front, one in the back. And let's see if I'm going to be able to lower this. Got skeletons over there. So I'm just going to use Don't want to get caught on that. Actually, came down. Wear gloves next time. A reminder for me too. All right, wear gloves. That's a tip. So that is it. It came down. Wear gloves if you're going to use the rope to go down. You know, it got heavy. I didn't think it was going to be that heavy, but it's fine. Oh, there's no damage. I used the ladder to slide it down. But if you have a second person, it's always good. Did I want to take it completely apart? No. We made the hinge so we can fold it in half and make it easy to store. I hope you liked this video along with the first one as we assembled it. And stay tuned for some more projects. Thanks for checking out the channel. Take care.